Question number 4, I want you to put those rational numbers in the correct order on the number line from least to greatest. So here's what I would do first. I see both positive and negative numbers. So I would start with the positive numbers. So I have 7 eighths and 7 tenths. You should know, since they have the same numerator, that the one with the smallest denominator is actually the larger number. So 7 eighths would be the one closest to 1, because think about it, 7 out of 8, you only need one more eighth to be one whole. And then I'll cross that one out. And then 7 tenths is just a little bit further away from 1. All right, now I have 3 choices left: negative 2/3, negative 4/5, negative 4/3. Now one of those is more than, or less than, in this case because it's negatives, negative 1. So negative 4/3 is an improper fraction. So that means we would change it into a mixed number. So if we did that, it would be negative 3 goes into 4 one time, you have a remainder of 1/3. So the only one that is smaller than negative 1, or should be between negative 1 and negative 2, is negative 4/3. All right, now I'm left with 2 things, and that's negative 2/3 and negative 4/5. So if you have trouble telling which one of these is larger, because it looks like 2/3 needs only one more third to be a whole, and negative 4/5 only needs one more fifth to be a whole, you can turn these into equivalent fractions. So 2/3 equals, and then 4/5 equals. So you have to find a common denominator. I like to do that by multiplying the 2 denominators. So 3 times 5 is 15. And then you have to think, okay, to get from 3 to 15, I multiply by 5. So I'd have to do the same to the top. So 2 times 5 is 10. And if you look at 4/5, 5 times 3 is 15. So I'd have to do 4 times 3, which is 12. So if you look at this, 2/3 would equal negative 10 fifteenths, and 4/5 would equal negative 12 fifteenths. So you have to decide which one is actually closer to negative 1, and in this case it would be the negative 4/5, and then next would be the negative 2/3.